Hey.
I know, blame it on the great British weather. Or maybe I should just call it Muslim timing.
It's all right. It's all right. It's just less time to have the cuppa, that's all.
Yeah, I've got to squeeze in a prayer as well. I wonder if there's a space here for me to use.
Pray.
Yeah, well, I was going to pray at the mosque, but agreed to come here and cheer you up with a croissant.
Oh, thank you. I didn't realise women went to the mosque.
Mine does.
Nice.
You betcha. Anyway, what's going on with you then?
Still settling. Not much. Big city is overwhelming.
How about you come out with me for a halal night out?
For a kebab?
No, my local mosque does soup kitchens for the homeless. Why don't you come and help?
At the mosque? Never heard of that before.
Well, you'll be surprised what a lot of mosques do for their neighbourhood.
There is just one thing. What's that? I'm not a Muslim.
Even better.
Ah, all right. So is there going to be a priest there?
Yeah, there'll be an imam there.
I've got quite a few questions, actually.
On the 5th of February 2017, over 100 mosques are inviting in their neighbours for tea and biscuits on National Visit My Mosque Day 2017. Come down and meet your local Muslim neighbours. Search for your nearest mosque online at www.visitmymosque.org or search #VisitMyMosque.
Visit my mosque.